Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Chevy Bowtie emblem. First, let's gather the right tools and prepare your workspace. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some fishing line, and painter's tape. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and have good lighting. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's get to the removal. Carefully heat the emblem with your heat gun on a low setting for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive. Then, take your fishing line and gently slide it behind the emblem, using a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Work slowly and steadily to avoid damaging the paint. Once the emblem is off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. You can often peel off larger pieces by hand. For the tougher spots, apply an automotive adhesive remover to a clean microfiber cloth and gently rub the area. Be patient and avoid harsh scrubbing to protect your paint finish. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Wash the area thoroughly with car soap and water to remove any remaining cleaner or residue. Then, apply a good quality automotive polish to restore the paint's shine and blend the area with the rest of your truck. For extra protection, you might want to apply a coat of wax.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.